Hey guys, for today's video, I'm finally going to be doing a living room and dining room tour. So this section of my house is pretty linear. I have my kitchen, dining room, and living room. I've already done a kitchen tour, so I'll link that in the description. And then in the other side of our house is like an office space. I have our bathroom, above it is our loft, and then our bedroom. So I will eventually tackle those areas. I'll do videos either individually or I'll do an entire video showing you guys those spaces, as well as my backyard, which a lot of you, if you watch my vlogs, you can see my entire house. But the reason I take so long to do these tours is because I take forever to decorate. I find that that's what works for me. I know people are a lot more impatient than I am when it comes to decorating, but I just feel like this is how I don't get bored of things from one day to another. Taking my sweet time with things, purchasing unique and vintage pieces, you know, this is how I like to decorate. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just keep watching. So when you walk into our house, once you pass the kitchen to the left is our dining room. And I got this dining table when I first moved in, a couple months after we moved in, from WAYFAIR. I'm not sure if they still have it. The chairs are from Overstock. I'll try to link everything that I can down below if I can find it. Rug is from IKEA, and my lamp above my dining room table is from West Elm. Above the table, I have a candle from LABO. The vase is from WAYFAIR, and the candle that has like the candle holder attached is completely made out of wax, and it's from WYNNEWARE, which is just a random store that I found on Instagram. They have so many cute things. And I have my bar cart, which was gifted to me from WAYFAIR as well. And I think this might be one of the things that I switch out in the near future. My mirror is actually a hand-me-down from my mom. It's just kind of like a vintage or antique looking mirror. And another thing that I would like to do sometime in the future is get a mantle and put the mirror above the mantle. Behind my dining room table is the little bench that you guys see in the background of all of my videos, or most of my videos. So I got this bench many years ago when I still lived with my parents. I got it from Etsy, but if you search hairpin reclaimed wood bench, I'm sure you'll find something similar. This clay vase I recently got also from Etsy. Art print is also from Etsy. My BYREDO candle. This little marble box I got years ago from West Elm. I just have dried pampas grass in the vase, which I got years ago from Etsy. I know that some sellers are using my picture without my permission. Just know I'm not affiliated with anybody on Etsy. The gold candle holder is from CB2. I have my beloved Vitruvi diffuser above all of my chapbooks. If you guys don't know what chapbooks are, I've been subscribed to them for so many years. Every time I post, I think it's like 60 pictures, they send me a little book with all of the pictures on my Instagram. Moving into the living room area, as you can see, it is right next to the dining room. So starting with my media console, even though I don't really use it as a media console, it just holds my TV and holds storage, because my house doesn't really have a lot of storage. I don't know if you can tell or not. So it is from Craigslist. It is a vintage piece. This art print of Aphrodite is from Etsy. I'll try to link as many things as I can down below if the sellers are still available. My couch is from Article. They were kind enough to send me this couch a couple of months ago, and I've talked about it time and time again in so many videos. I really love the look of this couch. I love how durable it is, how sophisticated it looks. You know, it doesn't look cheap at all. And I do think it's a well-made couch. The only thing that I will say is that it is not meant to like nap on. It's not really meant to be on for very long periods of time. This is definitely a better looking couch as opposed to a very comfortable couch. So it's not super uncomfortable. It's just not the most comfortable couch that I've ever tried, but I still really love it. I love how it is low to the floor. I really like how it pulls my entire living room together, and it definitely transformed my space the moment that I put it here. So I do recommend it. Just keep in mind that if you're somebody that likes to spend many hours on your couch, if you like to nap on your couch and you really utilize your couch, just know that it is a little bit more on the stiff side. With that said, I really think that the fact that it's modular and you can customize it is amazing. If I want to move to a bigger space or a smaller space or a more complicated space to style, it's great that I can customize it in the future. The throw pillows on the couch are from Etsy, and this geometric black one is from H&M Home, and my chunky knit throw, which I love how cozy it looks, is from CB2. These curtains that separate our room from the living room are from IKEA. I get so many questions on them. They are from IKEA, and I will link them down below. So my sofa table is from a local store. It was a vintage random find. I got this little candle holder from Etsy. The vase is from H&M Home. I just put some dried little stems that I found at Hobby Lobby. The clear little bottles are from Etsy as well. And the white candle is from Dior. Next up, I have my coffee table, which I got from First Dibs. It is another vintage find. I know I'm saying vintage and Etsy a million times in this video, but that's just how I like to decorate, guys. You guys know, even with my clothes, my bags, I like to find things that are a little bit more unique, because that way I won't get as bored of it, because it's just a little bit more special to me. This sort of iron knot is from CB2, another BYREDO candle. I got this little match holder that I get a lot of questions on. People wonder what the hell that is. It's a match holder, and I have little black matches on it. I also got it on Etsy. My coasters I got at Marshall's, I believe. And I just have this acne paper magazine that I've had for many years, and I just leave it open. I switch the pages whenever I want to sort of refresh the look of my coffee table area. Next, I have the space that sort of divides my dining room and living room. I have this chair, which is from France & Son. My lumbar pillow in the front is from Etsy. The black pillow is from CB2. The white pedestal is also from CB2. The Greek bust is from Etsy. And my lamp is also from France & Son. On the side of the couch, I just have a basket which I got from Target that holds our throws, because it's always extremely cold in my house and everybody always asks for a throw every time they come. The striped one is from Target and the beige one is from West Elm. On the media console, I have more chapbooks. I have this gold candle holder, which I got from Etsy. I have magazines underneath my TV, which is an odd place to put it, but I don't know. I just really like collecting pretty magazines, so I'm running out of space. But I really like how they look here. And I also added another little black clay vessel that holds another dried stem. And we have my art print, which I got from Etsy, which you guys saw. My planters, which I have the same ones in different variations all over my house, are by Scion Designs. I think they should have them on Wayfair. When I bought them, I think they were being like discontinued or on sale or something. I'm not sure, but I'll try to find them. I got the little stand, the tripod stand for it on Amazon. Yeah, that is pretty much it for my living room. I'm gonna do another quick little rundown so you guys can get the full gist of it. So that is everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll put as many things as I can find in the description, so be sure to check that out. As far as like Etsy sellers and stuff like that, a lot of my pieces are old because again, I took forever to like curate these two spaces, but I'll try to find as many things as I can, so be sure to check out the description. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I post on there way more often than I post on here. I post a lot of like home pictures as well. And yeah, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video.